In your pre-installation, we would have comprehensive schematics and drawings that would have been put together for the particular plant, and from this we would draw up a full bill of quantities, and we would obviously then look to procurement of all the correct materials, etc. for the job. Physical setup of a solar plant revolves around a lot of logistics as to, in other words, where are we going to place all the equipment as storage facilities, how are we going to get a lot of the materials actually up on the roof in a rooftop installation, where and how the cable is going to be delivered, the timing of all this material, and how all of that would then be effected in the actual installation.
The beauty about this technology is completely scalable, so clients can use various sizes or dimensions to build up their total solar capacity in block format. So what you have behind us over here, we have 15 kilowatt blocks, and BMW have installed 9 of these 15 kilowatt blocks.
After all the hardware and that has been installed, then comes the tricky part of wiring. This is where all the connections are done between panels, and all that through to string boxes, all your protection on the DC side, through to your inverters, which are going to convert all the energy from DC to AC, and then all the actual protection and switchgear necessary to connect it up to the existing substation of the plant.
The final step for our installation is to control and monitor the performance of the system. That's why it's important to install a monitoring system through the control of the temperature, the module's temperature, the ambient temperature, and the wind speed. We know exactly how the system works, and then we can compare the results of the system with the expected production and see and monitor the, let's say, the right performance of the system.
Very important to know what is the life expectancy of a solar PV plant. Your solar panels are rated to last for, or warranted to last for 25 years. You will find the solar panels will last probably longer than 25 years. All that happens is every year they produce slightly less electricity. Certain other consumables on site may have a lower life expectancy, but as most of the capital is invested into the solar panels, the outlook or the long-term view is linked to the life expectancy of the actual modules installed, which is north of 25 years.